cutlass manual and turned into see what the code 23 was. Mixture control solenoid, open circuit, short to ground, and a mixture solenoid circuit. So that's what I thought to myself, like open circuit, that means something had to be unplugged. So that's what I ended up doing, taking the quadrajet and the mixture solenoid and just hooking it back up. Let me show you what the car doing now. As soon as it said open circuit, I just thought to myself, like, man, something had to be unplugged. No check engine light. And the car starting to sound way better too, but that's why my check engine light was on code 23. It's fine right back on. I just gotta finish adjusting everything. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna end up going to the junkyard and just grabbing me. I know quadrajet is just taking this out and just leaving it hooked up and tuck it under there somewhere. But that's how I end up solving my check engine light. Now let me unplug it right quick to show you that it was that. Like shit, I just broke the tab on this motherfucker. Fuck that thing. Check engine light should be back on.